Hey everyone, it's Kim, the homeschooling Grammy, and today I am so excited to share with you my new planner for the 2021-2022 homeschool year. So we are going to unbox this puppy together, the new Happy Planner, and it's even the homeschool edition. So if you're interested, stick around and we're going to get started. As excited as I do when it comes to new planners. And this is really new for me because I'm a plum paper girl. And actually I shared a whole homeschool haul recently, and I will try to remember to link it up in my iCard so that you can take a look at what I got in my homeschool haul. But I decided to go with a different planner this year because I kind of spent a lot in our budget with curriculum, but we love Sunlight and I wouldn't change a thing. Even though my husband was like, Kim, if you really love the planner, I'm like, you know what? No, let's do something different. So I got this at a really good deal. It was 50% off. And I want to say $21, $22. I can't remember. Oops, I have it upside down. I can't remember like exactly what I paid for, but I want to say it was like in the 20 something range. So it was a super good deal. Really, really good deal. And I guess I should have brought scissors, but let's hope I can just like undo this. You know what? Hold on. I'm going to go get scissors because I'm going to waste like 5 minutes trying to get the box. So the whole magic of filming, you didn't have to watch me struggle with this pair of scissors in the box. Aren't you glad I spared you that? Okay. So let me go ahead and get this opened up. So here's what it looks like with the top off. I'm so excited. Okay, so at the very top here, there are some stickers and some washi tape, which I'll just leave those in there for right now. And then there is, I believe this is like a bookmark type thing that pops in there, if I remember right from the back of this thing. Let me take a look real quick and I will tell you. Yes, that is a bookmark. A snap-in bookmark. Isn't that cute? My granddaughter says that I look like her. She's like, Grammy, that's you. You without the bun. Yeah. All right. So here it is. Look at it. It's so cute. So, you know what? I'm going to stop this. I'm going to like set it up so you can actually take a look inside this little gem, because I haven't taken a look inside myself. This is totally new for me. So I'm going to share the whole experience with you. Hold on again. So I have it all set up. It's so cute. It says, look on the bright side. And I'm telling you, some days we all just need to look on the bright side. So it has like, I guess these are like kind of like removable, so you can add and take away from the inside of your planner. So welcome to the Happy Planner. Oh, more stuff that I didn't cut away. I apologize. Let me cut this off real quick. All right. So it says, welcome to the Happy Planner homeschool layout. Happy Planner belongs to for the 21-22 school year. Look at how cute it is. I love it. I love the colors. It's so fun already. So here is a whole calendar for 21 and 22. How awesome is that? Let me see. I'll move this over this way a little bit so you can see it better. I guess this is just places maybe to make plans ahead of time. Like I said, I don't really know because this is the first time I've taken a look at this myself. I love the colors. I'm all about bright and colorful. So here we go, August. Oh, look at how fun. Focus for this month. Important things to remember. I love this. So here's August. So here's, a regular calendar. So you have some deadlines here, like for subjects, some things to do, chores over here. So you could use it for chores for your children, chores for yourself. A grade tracker, subject, date, test, project, and the grade, either percent grade or letter grade. This is really neat for those of you who keep track of grades. This is awesome. I don't keep track of grades too terribly much, you know, for spelling, sometimes for math, but for the most part, we aren't really doing grades as of yet. Here's a class overview. So the class subject, a description, lesson details, deadlines, important dates. I'm really liking this. This is so fun. More class overview. Oh, and a reading list. Perfect. Because what I had been doing before now is just like writing down, you know, kind of like at the beginning of each month what we had been reading. And this is going to actually give me a place to do that. I'm hoping that'll be on every month. This is awesome. I love this. Some important assignments, weekly focus and activities. So here we are going to be starting, I guess, where you would write in your, yeah, it looks like this is going to be where you write in your lesson plans and whatnot. I'm so used to it being lined, but this is really cool. I'm liking it. And they have places for Saturday and Sunday to write down things because, you know, school happens all day, every day when you're a homeschooler. And there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a place for 7 different subjects. So plenty of room, plenty of room. I'm going to have to get myself some friction pens again. I can feel myself needing some colorful new friction pens just for more fun. So here we go. So I'm going to just kind of go through here. It's kind of all the same thing. All for your lesson planning for the whole month of August. And then we move into September. And it says happy. How cute. Super, super fun. Love the colors again. And then here we go into September. Once again, grade trackers, class overview, reading list. Yes, this is very exciting to me. I love that. More class overview, lesson details, those kinds of things. Maybe for some science experiments that you want to do that month, maybe for some supplies, whatever you might need. So let's move on to October. We'll just take a look at some of the prettiness since it's going to have the same kind of layout. I don't feel the need. So here it says work hard, be kind. For October, and then for November, oh, this is so cute. Home Sweet Homeschool. Super fun. And for December, oh, those are so cute. See now, instead of me being this lady with the bun or without the bun, I think little Miss Hope needs to come and, she's outside right now, but she should come and, you know, pick one of these other cute little teachers. That could be me instead of the lady with the bun. All right, let's see. January. You are capable of amazing things. There again, I love the colors. You know what? I have to say I'm really impressed coming from a plum paper planner person to this. This has my interest. I'm really excited. I love how pretty and colorful it is. I love what it has in it. Here's February. Here is March. Choose happy. And let's see, on to April. Celebrate every tiny victory. May is live simply. Whoops. Let's see, go on to June. June is today is a great day to learn something new. And on to July. which is the last one. Happiness starts from within. Let me take a look at the back and see if there's anything they might have added into the back. Oh, place for some notes. School is cool and plan a happy life. And I have to say, I am really excited about this planner. This is super fun, super cute. Looks like, you know, has everything that I needed to have. So this little person right here is the one that told me that I was in the store when we were buying this. She said, I'm the little old lady right here. Yeah, that's what she said. She said that I'm that without the bun. So, my darling.
Yes.
Do you think that you could pick? Well, you're really hot and sweaty.
Well,
Yay!
that's because I've been riding my bike without training wheels.
And she's doing amazing. So which other lady do you think I possibly could be? Can I be somebody fun?
No.
Why? Why do I have to be the lady with the bun?
Okay.
Okay. Who can I be? She's cute even. No. All right, so here's all the little people.
Oh, wait, I picked one.
Oh, you did?
This one.
I get to be her? Teach. Okay, yay, I'll be her. I get to be her now. I'm
Actually,
so
wait,
excited.
no.
No, what? Oh, she changed her mind again.
Eeny, miny, mo. Pick a tiger by its toe. If it cries, I don't care.
That's a new way to say that. All right. People are getting old and gray, like your grandmother, waiting for you to pick
This
one.
one.
This one. Okay, I'll
Actually, this one.
No, God. All right. She said this one. She said this one, and then she turned around and changed her mind again and put me back with some lady with a bun. I give up. I give up. I'm not an old lady with a bun.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes. See, look. Now she's an old lady with a bun.
All right, y'all. Take care. Say bye.
Bye.